Step 1. Open the box, remove the rear roof protector, and lay it out neatly. Step 2. Clean the installation area thoroughly. Apply the adhesion promoter. Step 3. Peel off the adhesive tape backing from the rear roof protector. After confirming the position, remove the remaining adhesive tape protector film. Press it firmly to secure it. Note: do not drive the vehicle within 24 hours after installation. Do not expose to water within 72 hours after installation.